Welcome, here I've got Samsung Galaxy S21 Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to take motion photo in the camera app at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and we are in the standard photo mode. Now let's focus on this button, the second from the right. By just one tap here we can turn on motion photo, another tap to turn it off. Now let me keep this turned on. When we have this, we get 2-in-1 when we take a picture, the photo and the short clip. So let me show you how it works by taking a picture. To see it, let's move to the left to this button. When we tap here, we get quick access to the gallery, and this is the picture with option view motion photo, so when we tap here, we can see the short clip. And this is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.